I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your phone OS is supported and you have roughly 500 MB free. Once done, backup call logs and contacts to the cloud. Make sure you can restore if needed. Next, open Settings and locate the call app entry. Do not wait. If you plan to switch to beta or rollback, enable developer or advanced update controls now. This lets you pick a channel. These steps prevent data loss and speed the update process. Now change the update channel and pick the version you need. You open the app detail page, review permissions and storage, then tap Update Options. This is where you select stable, beta, or a previous release. Once you choose, decide the download method, Wi-Fi only to save data, or allow cellular if urgent. Make sure to accept any required permissions before proceeding, otherwise the update may stall. If you use a manual APK, verify the signature and source to avoid malware. Finish by installing the update and restarting the app. This forces new binaries and resources to load. Once restarted, test an outbound call, incoming notifications, and voicemail integration so you confirm core features work. If something behaves oddly, clear the cache first and retest. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, restore your backup or reinstall the previous version, and check app logs or the update history for error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.